Hi everyone, this is a trade update video of the GDX Gold Miners ETF trade that's been going really well. Today it went up 3.11%, so just over 3%, whereas the NASDAQ today was down about 3/4%, so 0.75 in the negative. All right, so let's review what happened and consider what we might see tomorrow. Okay, and be prepared for it. So yesterday's video, I talked about getting into the trade. I got into the trade at the bottom here at the end of the day because price came back down to this long-term support. And that's how we like to do it. And we plan out the trade. I put this little shaded area here to say, if price comes down to this trend line, buy. Okay. Because I got stopped out here. Price went underneath it because I had bought in up here, went underneath it, stopped me out, and I didn't get back in. I actually missed the move back in. I missed this move up. But I waited, and price returned to retest this support, which is a great thing. So retested support, I bought in down here, and yeah, today's move is really nice. So let's see what's in store for tomorrow. Let's go into the hourly view first to get a little bit more fidelity, precision on our view here. So this is yesterday's action, sold down, allowed me to re-enter down here. Fantastic. Gapped up, hit this resistance. Okay, so this is 28.22 that I have drawn here. Hit resistance. At the open, boom, hit the resistance. Second hour candle sold down, but then it's making higher highs. Sorry, higher lows. Okay. All right, so let's draw this. I'll draw this here. Let's go to the 15-minute, get a little bit better view. So I can clean this up a little bit. Let's go like, all right, let's go like that. Okay. So what do I see? Well, I see to me, this looks like a bullish pattern where you have a horizontal here. Let's make it darker so we can see it. Horizontal line there and a ascending line here. Usually this will result in price pushing upward, okay? It'll break through this. Now, you might want to consider that let's go through the daily view. Okay. This line here, make this one dark too. Okay, this one goes all the way back to here, which is end of July. To me, this is a medium-term trend line. Okay, not a super strong one, but you can see there are some reactions, so it's legit, right? Of course, there's this one, this reaction, a forceful move here, okay, which is legit action. If you're going to go through a trend line, you better push through it hard. This retest here, fantastic. I'm not going to count this one. This wick up and touch, okay, so it's a real trend line. It's legit. All these reactions, okay, reaction, reaction, reaction. All right, so we will use this trend line as our support. So yes, if you're in the trade and you followed me last night or early this morning and got in the trade, and fantastic for you, then you're up, you're green. I would use this as a stop limit line. Like if price breaks down with conviction below this trend line support, then I would stop out. So from here to here, let's just use this. If you're up here, price is up there, and it's, this is like All right. So maybe 2% stop limit, right? Yeah, just because this line is legit. Now they could wick through it a lot. I've been seeing that action a lot, and I'm going to make a video about the stop raids, STOP RAIDS, stop raids that have been happening more frequently the second half of this year and even recently. So if we're going to play the stop raid, then we might want to consider a wider stop. Okay. I haven't fully planned that out yet. Okay, it's not part of my toolkit yet. But let's see. Yeah, so if this is another minor trend line. All right, so a couple of thoughts. I don't usually use such dark lines for my annotations, but for the purpose of talking to you about it. So maybe if you're, 2% is about here, but if you're willing to go down a little bit further, this might be maybe 2.8. Okay, so maybe down here. So you could stop out. You can either stop out here. Okay, let's use that, make that red, or stop out underneath here. I wouldn't wait for it to get down here. Okay, I wouldn't wait for that. Just stop out here or here. And if it retests this line, then buy back in. Okay. All right, those are my thoughts. I hope your trading ideas will be improved by what I just explained. And remember to come to Remora TC to trade like a shark and not get eaten by one. Let's go together to protect and grow our money. I'm going to put a link on this video about the other gold trade that you might want to consider. When the link shows up, please click it. And that's for the GFI trade. That's also going really well. And good luck with your trades. Remember, I'm not a financial analyst. And stay green.